How to activate Chase Debit Card. Hey everybody, welcome back. In today's video, we will be guiding you on that, so let's just get started without any delay. First of all, let's head over to chase.com website. For that, you can head over to chase.com and open up the link. And once you open it up, you should be finding this interface on your screen. Now, what you may do is at the top right corner, you can look out for sign in option. You can tap on it, and when you tap on it, you will be taken towards the Chase login page. So wait for that page to load up, and then when it loads up, you will be seeing the screen where you can enter your username here in the section, your username that you used in order to create a Chase account. After that, your password right below it. And once that is done, here we have this option of sign in. You can basically sign in into your account and sign up into your Chase account. Apart from that, if you would like to activate a debit card once you are logged in, what you may do is you may just head over and look out for chase.com/activate and go over to that section. And when you do so, there you will be finding option to sign up. You may just go ahead and follow up the process, and there you may just go ahead and follow up the process in order to activate debit card. There should be a section where you will be given an option to activate debit card. You may just go ahead and look out for that option, and that should help you activate a debit card. Or what you may do is, if once you have a debit card available, if you would like to activate, you can call the number on the back of your debit card, or you can head over to any of the ATM available nearby, and there you can just go ahead and use your PIN that you would be finding on your screen. Like on your phone, you will be receiving the code. You just need to go ahead and enter it up. After that, you can create an MPIN for your card. In that way, also you can activate your debit card for Chase. So these are some of the solutions you can follow up if you would like to do so. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.